Hey everybody, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Sarah and I am so glad to have you here. I just want to give you a little bit of the scoop if you are new. I'm a mom, a stepmom, so I pretty much touch on anything mom related and anything that has to do with the home. So I do a little bit of cooking, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of home decor, a little bit of beauty and self-care. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, I'd love for you to join me on this YouTube journey and definitely hit that subscribe button before you leave. So let's go ahead and talk about today's video. So pretty much this whole look I did today revolves around the lip. I was really focused on trying to find like a pumpkin-y type of lip color, fallish. I found a lip color that I fell in love with a few years ago, and I was trying to find something very similar. So this is what I came up with. I found this at Target. It's by NYX. It's called Teacher's Pet. It's a matte lip, and it's a little bit brighter than what I was hoping for. So I layered it and paired it with more of a neutral brown, like undertone lip. This one's called London, and it is a soft matte lip cream. So it's just beautiful. It doesn't get all like dry and on your lips. It actually keeps your lips very hydrated. I don't feel like I'm eating my lips off. If you want to see how I did this look today, then stick around and let's go ahead and get started. Just so y'all know, today's look is a mix of drugstore slash more high-end brands. So it's just like a good mix of everything. And if y'all want to know more about any products, I will put the links to them in the description below for you.
tonight? Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer. Won't you talk to me? What makes this heart beat faster? Tonight, bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Way tonight. Tonight, bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Way tonight.
All right, you guys. Alright, you guys, well, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And until the next time, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.